So let's see if we can, let's invite our nobody's joining us yet. Okay, so here we have a problem to solve. We are here to look for /8 subnet mask. So which we've actually, so /8 subnet mask, one of the ways we can use to get it faster is by understanding the power table 128, 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. You know, these are 8-bit number place values that we've, generated. And then here, the 128, 2 raised to the power 7 will give us 128. So it's in the power of 2. So, numbers, we use bits to represent them as in binary. So binary consists of 0 and 1. So it's either 0 or it's 1. Alright? So in that case, when we are on the network, that means the bit will be turned on. But on the host, it means that the bit will be turned off. So in that case, we check out the place place values. So if we have /8, it means that we are simply going to put down 8 network bits. Now that 8 network bits we are putting down, if you add them all based on the place values, it will amount to 255. So in that case, /8 becomes 255.0.0.0. So we are still going to solve more problems as you guys come live. Sharing the link. So we can have our audience come live. Let's see how many people we have. Okay, we've already explained what we have on the board. We'll come back again, maybe during break period. Okay, we have somebody watching us. So, thank you for joining us for the live session. We posted this question on our pages, and some people are struggling to get it right or correctly. So what we are here to do now is that we want to simplify it so that when next we make a post of this kind, you will not be struggling to get it. Be able to look for the subnet mask of /8. You need to understand the power table. So once you understand the power table and their place values in terms of the bits position, so we'll be working with binary number system, so which uses 1 and 0. So in IP addressing, we say that when we have the notation network, because IP addressing is now divided into two, the network portion and the host portion. So in that case, when we have bits on the network portion, it is represented as what? 1. When we have it on the host portion, it's represented as what? 0. So in this case, we are looking for /8. It simply means ordinarily that we are going to put 1 in 8 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. So now, going back to the power table here, fix these ones in the number, these values that you have. So place the first one under 128, place the second one under 64, the third one under 32, the fourth one under 16, the fifth one under 8, the sixth one under 4, the seventh one under 2, then the eighth one under 1. Now, plus all these numbers up here, whatever you get, when we now say that all the bits are turned on. So if you plus all these numbers together, you'll be having 255. Now that 255, you also need to understand the network notation of the class of the IP given above. So this class of IP belongs to class A. How do you know that? Classes of IP address, we have the class A as 0 to 127. Alright? And then the class B 128 to 191. The class C is 192 to 223. The class D is 224 to 239. And then the class E is 240 to 255. That's it. So now, if you check this 10.0, it falls under 0 to 127. So that's how you get that. Alright? So in that case, the subnet mask of /8 becomes 255 because the host portion is 0, there's nothing there. 255.255.0.0.0. So that solves the problem. So we are going to solve further questions on this as we post on the platform. Do check on us on Facebook, on YouTube, on Instagram, on Twitter, on TikTok. We are going to be going live to solve these problems for you. So feel free to request your live session with us, and then we'll once again and remain with us.